Happy Friday, Los Al USD. I'm Nicole Pichardo, and this is your wrap-up for Friday, March 28th, 2025. We'll start this week's episode of the wrap-up with the flashback to last Saturday when our Los Alamitos High School baseball team proudly continued its long-standing tradition of support for the Cypress Champions League, an initiative dedicated to fostering inclusivity and joy through baseball for individuals of all ages with special needs. This is an annual event for our Griffins, with many of our own students and friends with special needs participating. Speaking of flashbacks, Cheer and Song held their exhibition last weekend, showcasing the incredible work of all four teams. What an amazing season, and we are so proud of them. More celebrations in the arts, with a shout out to our LAHS drama team, who crushed it at the California State Thespian Festival, taking home numerous awards. And to our LAHS show choir, soundtracks took first place in the treble division, and sound effects took first runner-up in the mixed division finals. Jazz also held their Jazz Spotlight Havana Nights performance last Saturday to a packed PAC. The show featured the incredible talents of not only our LAHS jazz band, but our middle school musicians from Oak and McAuliffe as well. LAHS hosted one of our favorite events this week, Los Al's Next Top Griffin. This event highlighted the many talents of Los Al seniors, provided they exhibited a talent worthy of captivating the audience. Following an evening filled with awesome performances, Jaden Bobber emerged as Los Al's Next Top Griffin. In other news, the LAHS College and Career Center hosted its annual district-wide College and Career Fair this week. Both students and families had the opportunity to meet with numerous colleges and university representatives and explore a variety of LAHS career pathways. Speaking of careers, students at Oak Middle School were able to get a glimpse into their potential futures as more than 30 presenters dropped by for Career Day this week. The day started with a special keynote, and then students were able to hear from various professionals who presented an array of fields, ranging from veterinary emergency medicine to law enforcement, firefighting, and more. The Rossmoor Knights took over the boardroom for their annual board presentation this week, kicking things off with the Knights Royal Choir singing a beautiful patriotic rendition of This Land Is Your Land. Then Principal Amy Colty and two incredible 5th grade leadership students took the stage with the presentation centered around the theme, Let's Go Knights. Rossmoor also honored their amazing parent, Sydney Unger, as their hero of the heart, and gave a huge shout out to our Classified Employee of the Year, Laura Younger, Rossmoor nurse. We also kicked off open house season this week with our Adult Transition program. This outstanding program, located on the district office campus, serves adults with disabilities ages 18 to 22. ATP staff and students proudly showcase the amazing learning happening this year, from independent living skills and vocational training to social skills development and beyond. As we close out the month of March, students and staff at McAuliffe this week had their own March Madness competition. Hosted by McAuliffe ASB students, the competition pitted the students against the teachers to see who could sink the most free throw shots in 5 minutes. While the students gave it their best shot, it was the staff who came out victorious. And finally, we closed out the week with our longevity pin ceremony honoring staff in our auxiliary office. These exceptional classified employees are the unsung heroes who keep everything running smoothly, ensuring our students are well fed, safely transported, and supported behind the scenes. We celebrated staff members for serving 5, 10, and even 30 years of service with the district. And that's the wrap up for this week. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.
And that's the wrap up!